Players, are you ready? Set! Go! You have to fix your fumbles properly. You have to fix your fumbles properly, guys. Don't step the yellow lane, starting lane, don't step on it. Don't step on it. Remember the hand tag. Remember, you have to fix your fumbles before you proceed. If hindi nyo sinunod yun, penalty points. Lose the race, additional 1 penalty points. You have to fix your fumbles, kuya. Everything your fumbles.
Ay, mabilisan mo.
Okay, bilis!
Come on, come on, come on.
Bansa! Sige, Bans! Tatakbo, bilis, Bans! Bans!
Okay. Remember, this is the best of 2 out of 3 race. Okay? Dalawang panalo lang, pasok na sila sa final. Okay.